I hope all of you are fine and good. In our last lesson, we read a chapter about a hardworking farmer named Pahu who lost his life because of his greed. He was greedy, that is why he lost his life. Okay, today we are going to do grammar work. So your pencils, rough copies, and your grammar book must be with you. Okay, but don't open your grammar book. So I'm going to share screen with you. Okay, I'm waiting for a few more students to join. So I'm going to start the lesson. It's chapter 3, adjectives. Okay, all of you know that what is an adjective? It is a describing word. It describes a noun. Though adjective qualifies a noun, most of the time adjective comes before a noun and sometimes it comes after a noun. If an adjective comes before a noun, it is known as attributive adjective. And if it comes after a noun, then it is known as predicative adjective. Okay? Remember one thing, that adjective is linked with nouns. It qualifies a noun. Okay? Like beautiful, ugly, horrible, disastrous, blue, red, yellow, many. Okay? These are all adjectives. In the examples you can see, my friend is very intelligent. So intelligent is an adjective as it is coming after the noun, so it is the predicative adjective. He is walking. He is walking on a smooth, fine road. Smooth and fine are coming before a noun, and so these are attributive adjectives. Okay? Remember one thing, attributive adjective comes before a noun and predicative adjective comes after a noun. Intelligent is predicative adjective, where smooth and fine are attributive adjectives. Now we are going to study the types of adjectives one by one. The first type of adjective is qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective, as you can see the name, qualitative. It is related to the quality of a noun. Okay? When adjective is used to describe the quality of a noun, it is known as qualitative adjective. It describes the quality of noun. It includes color, size, shape, state, and manner. Okay? If we are including color, if we are including shape, like thick, thin, heavy, light, okay, blue, green, yellow, orange, good, nice, intelligent, ugly. Okay, these are all qualitative adjectives. In the examples you can see, I'm wearing a red shirt. Red. Red is a color, but it is describing the shirt. Shirt is a noun. So red is the qualitative adjective as it is describing the quality of the shirt. He is sick. Condition. Okay, he is sick. She came up with unique ideas. Special, unique, special. Okay, so red, sick, and unique all are qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective is the first type of adjective. It describes the quality of a noun. Remember this thing. It describes the quality of a noun, qualitative adjective. Intelligent, beautiful, nice, ugly, horrible, blue, green. I'm sitting on a blue chair. He's writing with a blue pen. Okay? But remember one thing, we need to put them before noun. When we put them before noun, then it is known as qualitative adjective. Okay? The second type of adjective is quantitative adjective. As qualitative adjective is related to the quality of a noun, quantitative adjective is related to the quantity of a noun. Okay, quantity, how much and how many. Remember one thing, how many is used to refer to countable nouns and how much is related to uncountable nouns. Okay. For example, I have 20 storybooks. Remember one thing, that we need to put quantitative adjective before a noun. Before a noun. In all these examples, you can see I have 20 storybooks in my cupboard. 20 storybooks. Storybooks is a noun and 20 is quantity. Okay, I have 20 storybooks in my cupboard. So 20 is a number. How many storybooks? It is a quantitative adjective. There is no sugar in the cup. Again, I am describing how much sugar? No sugar. There is no sugar in the cup. He has few tickets. Okay, how many tickets? Few tickets. Okay, there he has few tickets left with him. So students, qualitative adjectives describe the quality of a noun and quantitative adjective answers how many and how much. It is related to the quantity of a noun. And these are going to be put before a noun. Okay, remember one thing, because they are being used as qualitative adjectives. Okay, or quantitative attributive adjectives. Predicative adjectives come after a noun. Quantitative adjective come before a noun, like attributive adjective. Okay. The third type of adjective, possessive. Possessive adjective is related to possession, ownership, the thing which belongs to you. Okay, the thing which is yours. My book, his notebook, his pencil, your pencils. Okay, remember possessive adjective. We have studied about possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive pronouns come afterwards, but possessive adjective, because it is adjective and it is going to qualify a noun, so that is why we are going to put adjective before a noun. Okay, it shows possession or ownership of a noun. It comes before a noun. This is my house. My property. My house is a noun. My house. Your exercise books are kept on that shelf. Your, okay? Property, possession, ownership. Do you understand? So possessive adjectives are related to the possession or ownership. Possession or ownership of a noun. Okay? We have done now three types. We have done three types of adjectives: qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, and now possessive adjective. Okay, so possession is related to ownership. Okay, and all these adjectives, especially quantitative and possessive, we are going to put before a noun because these are related to the quality. Okay. Now, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is used to point out a specific noun. Okay? I have already told you demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives both when are going to be used. We are going to use just 4 words in that. This, that, these, and those. Similarly, in demonstrative adjectives as well as in demonstrative pronouns. Only the difference is that when we are talking about demonstrative adjective, we put this, that, these, and those before a noun. this toy, that girl, that boy, that painting, these mangoes, those chairs. We are going to put this, that, these, and those before a noun. Where we are going to put? Before a noun. Okay, remember this thing. We cannot put them after a noun. We have to put them before a noun. Okay. For example, you can, if you can see in your room or wherever you are sitting, you can see that chair. If it is far away, this chair is nearest to you. Okay, so you have to be very careful in this thing. These mangoes. Now, look at the slide. It is used to point out a noun. Demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. For example, these mangoes are very sweet. That picture is beautiful. This book is very interesting. These, that, and this. All are demonstrative adjectives. These mangoes, mangoes noun, picture noun, book noun. Okay, there are other adjectives also, like sweet is also an adjective. Beautiful is also an adjective. Interesting is also an adjective, but these are qualitative adjectives. Here we are just talking about the demonstrative adjectives. Now, first was qualitative adjective, which represents the quality of a noun. Second, quantitative adjective, which refers to the quantity of a noun, how much and how many, like few, many, little, a little, no, all. These are all quantitative adjectives. Then the third one was possessive adjective. It shows the possession. It is related to possession or ownership of a noun. My book, his car, your cycle, our pens, okay, things like that. We have to put them before a noun. Where we have to put them? Before a noun, okay? Now, interrogative adjective. Remember one thing, whenever the word interrogative comes, it is related to question. Okay, when we are asking a question. And question words begin with which, whose, whom, who. Okay, so this adjective is used to ask questions. Again, remember, and I'm going to ask you people also that about the types of adjectives. After completing the slides, first I'm going to ask your definitions, okay, one by one. So keep the definitions in your mind. So interrogative adjective is used to ask questions about a noun. And similarly, we are going to put it before a noun. We are going to put it before a noun. For example, whose book is this? Okay, book noun. Which pen is yours? Whose toys are lying here? Okay, so all these whose, which, whose, these are all, there should be no noise, beta. Please keep your mics mute. Okay, so interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about a noun. This is the fourth type. Yes. Qualitative, quantitative, possessive, demonstrative, and interrogative. Okay. The last is proper adjectives. If you remember proper nouns are the names of a particular or specific okay. As proper nouns begin with a capital letter, similarly proper adjectives begin with a capital letter. Okay? Examples. Okay, beta, I'll repeat this again. Proper adjective. Proper adjective is formed from proper nouns. Okay, like proper nouns specify a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Similarly, proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Okay, and as proper nouns are begin with a capital letter, similarly proper adjectives also begin with a capital letter. For example, my cousin is an American citizen. American. Okay, the Frenchman was arrested by the English. Okay, English is also a proper adjective. Okay, so American is formed from America. America is a proper noun, so American is a proper adjective. French is formed from the noun France. Okay, and English is formed from the noun England. Okay, so proper adjectives begin from proper nouns. They are formed from proper nouns. Now, students, we did 6 types of adjectives. I'll repeat it again. So please remember all these definitions. The first one is qualitative adjective. It describes the quality of a noun, or it is related to the quality of a noun, shape, size, color. Okay, like intelligent, lazy, beautiful, ugly, smooth, rough, thick, thin. These are all qualitative adjectives. Quantitative adjective refers to the quantity of an adjective, how much and how many. I have no books with me. Remember one thing, that you have to put adjective, all these quantitative, demonstrative, proper, possessive, all these adjectives must be put before a noun, because they are qualifying a noun, they are describing a noun. So you need to put them before a noun, and they work as attributive adjectives. I've told you attribute is related to the quality, and when we are going to put adjectives before a noun, they refer to as attributive adjectives. Okay, so the third one was possessive adjective. It shows possession or ownership. My book, his carpet, your pencil, my toys. Okay, your exercise books. These are all possessive adjectives. Then demonstrative adjective, I've told you these are 4 in number. This, that, these, and those. This and that for singular nouns, and these and those for plural nouns. Okay, and this and these stand for nearest objects, and that and those stand for far off objects. Okay, is it clear? And then participles as adjectives. Adjectives can be used as present participle or past participle. I've told you about present participle. That present participle means when we put ing with the base verb. For example, interesting, going, making, chattering. Okay, and past participle is the third form of verb, like break, broke, broken, come, came, come, do, did, done. Okay, help, helped, helped, worry, worried, worried. Okay, so we can put adjectives, we can use adjectives as present participle as well as past participle, but again, the same thing, we have to use them as attributive adjectives. Means we need to put them before a noun. We need to put them before a noun. For example, I read an interesting book yesterday. Here, interesting is used as a participle, although interesting is also a qualitative adjective as well. There was broken glass all over the floor. Interesting is present participle, broken is the past participle because broken is the third form of break. Break, broke, broken. The chattering monkeys made a lot of noise. Whenever we put ing with the verb, it works as present participle. And when we put ed or en, it is known as past participle, that is the third form of verb. Okay? Now, compound adjective. Compound, all of you know what the word compound means, two or more than two. So compound adjective is formed by joining two or more words with a hyphen. Hyphen is a small dash, okay? When we are joining two adjectives or two words with a hyphen, it becomes a compound adjective. He is 20 years old. 20 years. There is a hyphen between 20 and years. Blue, green, both are adjectives and we have put a hyphen. Kind hearted, two words kind and hearted, and we have put a hyphen. So these are the compound adjectives. Now students, I want all of you to open your books, chapter number 3, page 12. Okay, and we are going to do exercise 8. Before that, I will ask randomly few definitions, and only that student will speak whom I'll ask. Okay. Yes, Musaf. Musaf, what is a qualitative adjective?
Tells the quality of something.
Okay, quality of a noun, not something, quality of a noun. Okay, because adjectives are related to the quality. So it tells the quality of a noun. Use it in an example. An example.
Its color is blue.
Okay, correct. Any other example? He is my best friend. She is very intelligent. Intelligent.
He is
I'm a
tall.
heart. He's tall. ठीक है? Anything. Sweet. Nice. These are all qualitative adjectives. Okay, good. Now second.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर
Yes, beta.
टीचर मुझे पार्टिसिपल्स एंड एडजेक्टिव्स की समझ नहीं आई
Okay, I will explain again. Just first let me ask the definition. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Roma, you tell me quantitative adjective.
टीचर इन दैट we tell the quantity about a thing or a
About a
noun
noun.
about a noun
About a noun. Yes, correct.
like
Hmm.
I have one glass of juice.
Good. Yes, correct. Good.
we
Good, beta. Good. Thank you. Because we have to do exercise. So now, Tabin. Tabin, you tell me demonstrative adjectives. Yes. Demonstrative adjectives. Quickly, beta. We have to do the exercise now. Meanwhile, all of you can start doing exercise 8 so that I can ask you one by one and we will be able to do it quickly. Okay. So, Khadija, you tell me. Yes, Khadija, tell me. What are demonstrative adjectives?
in which we point out or identify nouns.
Good. We point out or identify a noun. Can you give me an example?
This,
Hmm.
okay, example, this is my book.
No. This book is mine. We need to put before a noun. Okay. We cannot put afterwards or before any other word. We have to put them before a noun. This book is mine. Okay. Do you understand? That pen is yours. Okay. You have to put them before a noun. Remember this thing. Okay, beta. Now, possessive adjective. Who will tell me possessive adjective? Yes, raise your hand. Ali Hassan. Yes, Ali Hassan, tell me about possessive adjective. Anybody else? Yes, Roma?